In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy from Tokopedia. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tokopedia.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Tokopedia. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you'll be able to see several products that you can buy. If you do not see the product over here, you can simply click on the search bar. After you do that, search for the product that you would like to buy. Now once you find the product, what you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the details of the product over here. So if you would like to buy this product, what you have to do is first of all select the quantity. You'll be able to see the field for quantity over here. Click on the plus icon to increase. Click on the minus icon to decrease. Now after that, what you have to do is click on this button that you can see on the screen. You're basically adding it to the cart. After that, click on this option for viewing the cart. Now you'll be able to view the cart over here. Make sure to select the item that you would like to buy. Over here you can see the total. So in order to buy, click on this option buy that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface of Tokopedia. Right now I'm not being led to that particular interface. Maybe it is because of my reason. Now in the checkout interface, fill in the details, enter the address. Likewise, select the payment method and enter the payment details. Now after you complete the transaction, you'll be able to buy the item. Go ahead and follow through the prompts and you'll receive the item that you just bought. So like this, you'll be able to buy. So that is how you buy from Tokopedia. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.